What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-100095-5. There was an issue with the starting the application. So you're having a problem with your application is not going to start. So here is, I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we go to the screen, and here we are at your content. You just check your content is up to date or not. Sometimes you're having an update, that's why it's not going to start. And then go to the settings here, and you must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage or sufficient storage, that's why your application is not to launch. For launching your application, you must need a space, and here is the user and account. You must go to the restore the license. Sometimes you're having a problem of the license, the content you downloaded, you're having a problem with the license. You just restore the license, and console sharing and offline play. Sometimes you just download the application in the other account and you just try to start in the other account, that's why you're getting the error. So that's how that simply you can just fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.